guys, back at it with your boy Price Caddy. My name is Israel, and today, well, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm excited to showcase this to you guys, because right now when I see like the camera here, it looks shitty as fuck. So, I got a new phone. Let me just get it real quick and put it, come here to the light. Hey! With case and everything. So, if you guys are wondering what type of phone this is, it's a Samsung AMP Prime. And it works perfect, as you can see. And right now I created the channel. So, I want to show you guys my background to see if you like it. Focus. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but yeah, I created a new channel. This is not my main anymore. There's gonna be a new one. Yep. Can't catch me outside. How about that? Yes, new one. Right now I'm trying to like put everything done, cause right now ignore the gaming lemon play Overwatch and your Morales. You can subscribe to your Morales, but look, no subscribers, cause I haven't even started this one. So just want to say to search up my name again, and you guys see like a snake, blue snake, and yeah, starting a new channel. And I just wanted to say I spent all my money. A, for better graphics. 2, for you guys. And 3, well, for me. and also today, barely today, guess what I had? I got a new fidget spinner. Well, I got a fidget spinner. Sick. Yeah, I have a green one and a blue one. It works perfectly, both of them. So they both work perfectly. Just I wanted to say that I got a new phone, fidget spinner, and yeah, better graphics. So good.